Mastering IELTS Listening. Understand the question types. Hello, English language learners. In today's video, we will dive deep into the IELTS listening test and specifically, the various types of listening questions you might encounter. This will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to confidently tackle any question that comes your way. IELTS isn't just about knowing English. It's about knowing how to answer the questions efficiently and effectively. By understanding the types of questions you might face, you're better prepared and can employ specific strategies for each type. The IELTS listening test contains a variety of question types. Let's delve into each one. 1. Multiple choice. You'll listen to a recording and then choose the correct answer from a list of options. Key tip: always read all options before and after listening to ensure accuracy. 2. Matching. Based on what you hear, you will need to match a list of items or pieces of information to another list. Tip: make sure to identify keywords and synonyms. 3. Plan, map, or diagram labeling. You'll listen to descriptions and label a plan, map, or diagram accordingly. Tip: visualize as you listen and be aware of directions and locations. 4. Form, note, table, or flowchart completion. Listen to the recording and fill in the gaps in a form, note, table, or flowchart. Key tip: stay attentive to numbers, names, and specific details. 5. Summary completion. This involves listening to a recording and then filling in the missing words in a summary. Tip: focus on the main ideas and avoid getting lost in the details. 6. Sentence completion. Here, you listen and complete sentences with missing words. Tip: try to predict the type of word, noun, adjective, etc., that fits the gap. 7. Short answer questions. Answer the questions in a few words based on what you hear. Key tip: keep your answers concise and straight to the point. 1. Practice actively. Don't just passively listen to English audios. Actively practice answering different question types using IELTS practice materials. 2. Stay calm and focused. If you miss an answer, move on and don't let it affect the rest of your test. 3. Always read instructions. Some questions have a word limit for the answer, so ensure you stick to it. 4. Stay aware of time. You only hear the recording once in the IELTS listening test. Be attentive and make the most of that single opportunity. And there you have it. Understanding the types of questions on the IELTS listening test is your first step towards acing it. With regular practice and keeping these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to success. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best of luck on your IELTS journey.